And I found a new room. It is so chill. And there's even a little secret hideout. So, yeah. Oh, let me see if I can make the jump. I'm gonna make the jump.
Yeah, no, this isn't fixable.
I'm not gonna make
it's
it!
a delay.
You have to keep it up.
I'm gonna make it.
Hey, Cat.
Basketball. Let's go.
Wait, oh, look at that.
Let's play. Let's play basketball.
I can't pick it up.
I know, because you don't have your claws out. If you have your claws out, you pick it up. There you go.
I can't.
Go like this. Like that. What is that?
If you like food,
You're my
Right
brother.
here.
What did you say on the
everybody
stage?
sit down in the chairs and relax, and I'll get you some food.
Okay.
Yo.
Okay.
Yo, you guys have some food? I need to feed the audience.
Luckily one cat just stole all of it and keeps on like
Give
eating.
me a second, guys. I'll give you some.
Hello.
And now we're I love the outfit. You guys like it?
Thank you.
Right? Hello.
Hello.
I do.
Okay, so
Let's try to go on the top here.
Everyone, have fun and sit down. Do you like birds?
Okay.
Yes.
Or my coffee? What? Don't worry, Stop it.
Everybody, I'm trying to get you guys food, but
It won't let me grab it.
Actual. I can help. I can help. I can help. Your listen to me and go away.
Wait, there's a slide.
You don't know how to play. Listen to me and go away.
Okay.
Fish for everyone.
I want fish. Like make a fish. Basically,
Whoever
make a
wants to
fish.
get soda with me,
And then
you come to the top.
Guys, all the food is out because there was a cat that stole all the food or ate it all themselves. Look down and then you see.
Where are you?
I'm up here. Look up.
What are you doing?
Yo, wait, how did you just? Never mind. Let's go.
No, I fell. Which way is it?
I am checking.
Up here, up here, up here.
I don't really like.
And then once
Come with
you're done,
me.
you can just jump down.
Where are you?
Oh, my ball stuck to the wall.
Where are you?
Stuck to the wall.
I lost you.
I love this place. Yo,
I'm at like the kitchen.
I see you.
How do you get your paws? There we go. Stuck on the wall, bro. Pigeon.
Matthew, I'm here. I'm
Oh,
here.
there you are. All right, jump to here.
Oh, I know where you're going. I know where you're going.
Yeah, that
Bro, this is
space
my favorite place.
That like space place.
Bro, I love this place. I always come here. I always come here to chill.
Always come here too. I want the
Yo, look at
red
them.
one.
Wait, look in the microscope.
Okay.
It's cool. Yo,
Whoa.
yo, bad boy. You gonna chill with us?
Yeah.
You gonna chill with us?
Yeah.
I get it. Oh, I want the blue one.
I'm gonna steal something from here. I'm a
Bro, I
robber.
can't grab anything.
I'm a robber. I'm gonna steal something. Can I put
One of the
this in
kids.
my mouth?
One of. Bro, no. Oh wait, I forgot that. Bro, I haven't played this game in so long. When I thought I had multiplayer, I'm like, get my ass on here.
No.
I'm trying. Guys, that's me. Go to Granny's house.
What are you watching?
Granny's house. I don't want.
Let's go.
Where are
Come on,
you?
everyone.
I don't want to be.
Come on, everyone.
Whoa.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh my god.
Are you
Right
still
here,
at the
Matthew.
space?
Right behind you.
I've been waiting
Oh.
for this update for over 3 months, and I'm so happy right now. Oh my god. No! Oh my god.
Bro, someone was cooking the pigeon.
Wait, what is it?
Someone
You know
was
what
cooking
people
the
do, people.
pigeon.
Yo, now I see my granny.
Oh wow.
You look so ugly.
Oh,
Someone better fucking the kid.
I have a question. Is it possible to join a private in this or no?
Ugly real.
I don't know.
I want to join a private.
What?
I want to join a private.
No, I'm asking, is it possible to do that?
I don't know.
Listen to the microphone.
Hey,
I'm pretty sure you
We
can.
got it.
I saw a YouTuber.
welcome everybody to the brand annual of the cat season.
Woo!
Dude, this
Yes.
is my seat. Hi guys.
Everybody take a seat and we will begin.
Okay.
No, I'm not even in Gorilla Tag.
Yes. And dog season.
I'm a wolf.
So everybody take a seat and we will begin.
Okay.
Will do.
What?
Well, we know we would get Granny Killer.
Why are your feet so small?
And everybody,
Go to Granny's house.
now
Guys, we
going
gotta
on
go
to
to
the
Granny's house.
Astro Cat.
All right.
Guys, we gotta go to Granny's house. We can't just
Daddy.
stay.